Long lash girlies don't gatekeep. So a couple years ago, I used to get lash extensions like regularly, and then quarantine happened and all the salons shut down, and I was heartbroken because I was left with just super short, non-existent lashes because they were so damaged from the extensions. And so my sister told me about Grande Lash. I've talked about this a lot. I started using it and it just became like a part of my skincare routine every day. I always get compliments on my lashes, which is like the best compliment ever. Do one little stroke across your upper lash line, and you just do this once a day, just like that. So easy. You wait about 1 to 2 minutes for it to dry. I started seeing results after about like 4 to 6 weeks, but I've been using it for a couple years now and I love it. Put mascara on and the lashes are lashing. There's no falsies, they're just all natural. I used to always say like, oh, I'm not having a good lash day. Well, now every day is a good lash day, and I just wanted to share that with you because